Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Blackstone RMB 58-225 Petrol Flail Mower is designed for cutting dense vegetation, tall grass and small shrubs on rough and unmaintained surfaces. It is suitable for maintenance operations on agricultural land, uncultivated green areas, roadside edges and orchards, where resistant vegetation and uneven ground are present. The machine is supplied with an interchangeable front wheel and a front skid. The wheel is suitable for flat surfaces and grass that is not particularly tall, while the front skid is recommended for uneven terrain or more demanding operations. Both components can be height adjusted using the supplied spacers. Operation is powered by a Loncin LC1P75F single-cylinder petrol engine, with a displacement of 224 cubic centimeters. The self-propelled transmission allows constant forward movement, even on uneven ground. The cutting deck has a working width of 58 centimeters. Cutting height can be adjusted from 40 to 90 millimeters, depending on the type of vegetation to be managed. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.